Taking a look at the garden in the backyard here after Hurricane Francine passed through our area last night. Oh boy, first thing I see, oh, straight ahead is my hoop house here got tore up. Oh boy, it lasted a lot of storms. Gotta redo this one. Oh boy, but that one kind of stood up a little longer than this one, boy. Okay, gotta get in here and put this back together. My cucumbers, okay, cucumbers, y'all got really hit, huh? I don't see any flowers on you guys that were out here blooming before the storm came. Okay. Oh, look over here. Okay. Gotta fix my hoop house back. Both of them. Okay, you guys, everybody over this way. The sweet potato slips growing. Don't look like y'all got hit too bad. Oh, my lemon tree, I'm glad to see you still standing. The last hurricane came through here, broke some of your branches off. Okay. Okay, this bed looking all right. Okay, you stood up. Didn't tear you off. Okay, come on. Y'all grow. Oh, let's see. Oh, my poor okra plants. Okay, okra. Oh, a lot of the leaves got blown off. Okay. See if I can prop you guys back up and y'all continue to grow. Come on. I see, look at you. You still got okra on you. Okay. Come on, okra. Oh, boy. Yeah, it was beating down on you. Okay, but look at here. Even in the midst of the storm, this okra say, I'm gonna still bloom with a beautiful flower. Yes, look at you, looking beautiful. Okay, let me get something to prop you guys back up, and y'all continue to grow us some nice okra. See my basil plant over here. Got beat down. Okay. Smells good though. Oh, some of them broke off. Okay, bell pepper. Y'all come on and continue to grow us some bell peppers. You know that wind was whipping y'all on y'all last night. Okay. Jalapeno peppers. Y'all hung in here. Come on, get bigger for me though. Still see some flowers on you guys that didn't get blown completely off. Okay, come on, jalapeno. Bed over here. Okay, got another okra plant over here to survive. Okay. Gotta get in here and redo my little hoop house over here. Y'all lasted some years without any damage. But this storm was just a little bit, this hurricane was just a little bit too strong for you and just broke you all apart. We're gonna get you back together. My collard green bed over here. I saw the wind was really whipping over here on you guys, but y'all held up good. And the mustard greens had you covered up here with this plastic covering, so no water really got in on you guys. Well, I see some at the top there. You held up pretty good. Let me go on and uncover you guys, and y'all can enjoy the fresh air of the day. Okay, mustard green. Continue to grow for us. Okay, I gotta need to pull off a lot of the dead leaves in here. But y'all continue to grow. I'm gonna sow some more mustard green seeds over here to get us a nice bunch of mustard greens for the fall. Look at that wind blowing on you. You like that, huh? Okay. Come on and grow for us. Okay, I have my okra plant standing back up. Let's wait and see some more okra to grow for us here. Okay, okra, come on and grow back for us. Stormy weather and that hard wind blew on you guys hard. But y'all survived. Yes, you survived. Thank God y'all survived. Grow us some more okra.